gotta see him. You okay? Yeah, you're gonna have to try to get a run at it. He falls in slow motion every time. When you fall, it's in slow motion every time.
I hope you're happy you got that one on camera.
Is it still flashing? I hope I got it.
Yeah.
Good. I pulled up here so I could
Tear
get it.
ass up through there, Eric. Get down. Butt on the seat.
Yeah,
Eric.
sit down some. Sit your butt down some. Roll, roll. Come over a little bit. Hear me? His back tire. He'll never make it up with his tire that muddy.
Let me give it a shot. Maybe we can do it.
It's no wonder it's so slick. Look at his tire. It's your turn.
Huh?
You going next? Go ahead, I want to see it. Don't hit me. Easy.
Get out of the way.
Ease and win. Get a run at it. You can't hesitate.
Huh?
You gotta go because you're gonna get muddy if you don't get going. Your rear tire's already covered in it. Go. His back tire's so muddy, I don't know if he'll ever make it up that hill. Look how muddy that back tire is. Why don't you go up there? Wait, why don't we go up there? This is like an accident waiting to happen. Why didn't we go up fix her?
I don't know. Alright, we got it. Grab the front brake.
Watch his levers.
Shit, it's hot. It's in gears. Oh, okay. Clutch, yeah. Alright.
There it is.
Why didn't you just jump it? I mean, that was easy.
You have the clutch pulled in.
You have the clutch. It wasn't sinking. Yeah, your back tire got some.
Yeah, until you get that back tire on muddy, you'll never go anywhere.
You're going to slide down the hill.
I mean, it's nothing but mud. Did somebody lose a sausage? A Slim Jim? January 2013, it's still good. You about killed me! He's out of control! broke my wrist falling down on this other trail.